Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We will configure Nginx to route traffic for two different Angular applications. This setup uses path-based routing. This means one app will be at /app1/ and another at /app2/ on the same domain. It is a very common and efficient way to host multiple applications. Let's get started with the steps. First, you need to have Nginx installed on your server. You also need to have two Angular applications built. When you build an Angular app, it creates a dist folder. We will use these dist folders. Let's assume your first app's dist folder is at /var/www/angularapp1/dist/. And your second app's dist folder is at /var/www/angularapp2/dist/. Now, we will configure Nginx. You need to open your Nginx configuration file. This is usually located at /etc/nginx/nginx.conf or in the site's available directory. Inside the HTTP block, find your server block or create a new one. Your server block will listen on a port, typically port 80 for HTTP. It will also have a server_name directive, which is your domain name or IP address. Inside this server block, we will define two location blocks. The first location block is for your first Angular application. It will look like this, location/app1/. Inside this block, you will use the alias directive alias/var/www/angularapp1/dist/. This tells Nginx where the files for app1 are located. Then, you need try_files $_app1/index.html. This is crucial for Angular. It ensures that if a specific file is not found, Nginx serves the index.html file. This allows Angular's own routing to take over for deep links. Next, we will set up the second location block for your second Angular application. This will be location/app2/. Similarly, you will add alias/var/www/angularapp2/dist/. This points to your second app's build output. Then, add try_files $_app2/index.html for Angular routing. Remember to also add a location/block. This block can serve a default page or redirect users if they just visit your main domain without a path. For example, you might redirect them to /app1/. A very important step for Angular applications is to configure their base-href. For your first Angular app, edit its index.html file in the dist folder. Find the base-href =/tag and change it to base-href =/app1/. Do the same for your second Angular app. Change its base-href to base-href =/app2/. This tells Angular where its application route is relative to the server path. After making these changes, save the Nginx configuration file. Then, you need to test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors. You can do this by running sudo nginxt in your terminal. If there are no errors, restart Nginx with sudo systemtool restart Nginx or sudo service Nginx restart. Now, you can open your web browser. Visit your _domain/app1/ to see your first Angular application. Then, visit your _domain/app2/ to see your second Angular application. Both should be working correctly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.